We're off to the beach, let's go get a wave.
Get in that car, come on.
No, we're off to the market first.
Get in that car.
I'm just going to stand you now.
Let's go walk in the bathroom without sitting on wet clothes on the floor.
Right.
When you first texted,
Tap yourself at me.
about going up.
Off to the market.
Where's Julian I've got here?
She's going up to the market. And then she's going to be to the beach. Let's go to the beach, let's go get a wave. Say, what you gonna say? Are you going to buy me something nice to the market?
You got a minute, so.
I'll buy myself something nice then. That's even if there's anything nice up there. Oh my god, it's so warm in this car. I think this is the warmest day, isn't it? I think it's the hottest day.
You stood him up. Don't dig up this little patio. Don't dig up. You got strong legs, pal.
There's Julia.
That's it.
Diane.
Oh, love him. That is real straight as well.
What are you doing, sis?
I need my ear up first.
There's nothing in any notes here.
Yes, please. Yes, please.
What?
Oh, yeah, pony for a change.
Go. Careful though, because it makes Chloe's legs the same as mine.
What?
There you go, slow. Splash Julie. Splash Julie. Nope, that's what he's like. It's cold! It's not that cold. Oh my god.
Come on now! Oh, damn! You've been trained then! I know!
Don't wait, so you'll go in the sea, you won't go in the pool. No. Oh my god! I can't see.
That's not too bad,
Yeah, Grandad's judging.
Oh, for God's sake, look at them!
That one is a definite. You know, that's a good
That's
one.
Bethan's, that is.
Bethan.
She's gone to get water.
That's good. That's pretty good, that one, Bethan. This one, I don't know.
What are you doing in there? Is this your castle? Yeah. Is this your castle? Likes the flags. And me and Llewellyn won the sandcastle competition with our castle that's now been taken over by the iron. No, not the stone, not the stone, not the stone. No, no, let go of the stone. Can't eat stone.
I, humping ho, Loopy and Andy, here we go. Hump, low, hump, I, Loopy and Andy, hop up to the sky. Andy Pandy, have you got one ball? Have you got two balls? Have you got little balls? Have you got big balls? Why, Andy Pandy, what colour are your balls? Oh, I see. It's a secret. Loopy Loo, would you like to get Andy's balls out? No, he's all right. Let him get his own balls out. Oh, look. Andy Pandy's got spots on his balls. Loopy Loo, would you like to play with Andy's balls? Be careful not to squeeze too hard. Oh, look. She's dropped one. Would you like to play another game? No, Loopy Loo doesn't want to play with you anymore. She doesn't want to play with your balls anymore.
Hi guys, if you really like the video, please click subscribe and click on the link for yesterday's video on, obviously, the bit that says yesterday's video, and then we will see what happens tomorrow, and I'll see you guys tomorrow, so bye!